What if I told you that AI could help you earn $100 a day without any investment? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% possible. Robot Face Moneybag today. I'll reveal 7 proven ways to make money using AI completely free. And stay till the end, because the last method is a total game changer. AI is no longer the future, it's happening right now. From automating tasks to generating passive income, AI tools are making it easier than ever to earn online. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or someone looking for a side hustle, this video will give you a roadmap to start making money with AI today. Let's dive in. Businesses need high-quality content for blogs, ads, and websites. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to write professional articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. White right pointing backhand index where to sell. Fiverr and Upwork create gigs for AI-generated blog posts. Medium and Vocal Media earn money per 1,000 views. Affiliate blogging write AI-powered articles with affiliate links. Example: people are making $500 plus per month just by selling AI-generated articles on Fiverr. You can start today. No need for a professional microphone. AI voice tools like 11 Labs, PlayHT, and Murph AI can generate realistic human voices. You can sell AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, and even audiobooks. White right pointing backhand index where to sell. ACX, Amazon Audible convert public domain books into audiobooks. Fiverr and Voices.com sell AI-generated voiceovers. YouTube Shorts and TikTok create AI-narrated motivational videos. Example: some freelancers are earning $500 plus per month just by providing AI voiceover services. Want to make money from YouTube without showing your face? AI tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Canva can help you create automated videos. White right pointing backhand index steps to start. Keycap 1 use ChatGPT to generate a script. Keycap 2 use 11 Labs for AI voiceover. Keycap 3 use Pictory or Canva to create videos. Keycap 4 mon AIs with YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Example: many faceless YouTube channels are earning $5,000 plus per month just by posting AI-generated videos. Graphic design without skills? Yes. AI tools like Canva, Leonardo AI, and Midjourney can create professional designs within minute. White right pointing backhand index where to sell. Fiverr and Upwork offer logo and YouTube thumbnail design. Etsy and Redbubble sell AI-generated designs as prints. YouTube and Instagram start a design tutorial page. Example: a Fiverr seller is making $10,000 plus per month just by selling AI-generated thumbnails. Affiliate marketing plus AI equals unlimited earning. AI can generate product reviews, blog posts, and scripts for YouTube videos. White right pointing backhand index how to start. Keycap 1 choose a product from Amazon, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Keycap 2 use ChatGPT to write reviews. Keycap 3 promote on YouTube, blogs, or Facebook. Keycap 4 earn commissions for every sale. Example: some bloggers are making $5,000 plus per month using AI to automate their affiliate marketing. AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat and ChatGPT API can handle customer service for businesses. White right pointing backhand index where to offer this. Freelance on Fiverr create AI chatbots for businesses. Shopify and WordPress offer chatbot setup services. Sell custom AI chatbots to small businesses. Example: AI chatbot developers are charging $500 plus per project for setting up chatbots on website. AI can write books, and you can sell them on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Payhip. White right pointing backhand index how to start. Keycap 1 use ChatGPT to write a book, motivation, AI, health, etc. Keycap 2 design a cover with Canva or Midjourney. Keycap 3 publish on Amazon KDP and Gumroad. Keycap 4 promote on TikTok and Instagram. Example: some AI-generated ebooks are making $2,000 plus per month passively. So there you have it. 7 powerful ways to earn money with AI. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future AI money-making tip. See you in the next video.